Hello and welcome to Igniter. This is the first lecture on the robotics engineering. The robotic is a very fancy word which attracts people for a very long time. Robotics comprises the knowledge of mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer science engineering. You may see the robots are working in industry, in restaurant, in a space application, etc. This video series on robotics deals with the mechanical analysis of industrial robots manipulators. This is the outline of this lecture. First, we will discuss about a brief introduction of a robotic system or a robots. Then we will talk about definition of robotic system, then laws of robotics, then the thumb rule to take decision on a robotics uses in an industry, and the last one is the application. In 1921, a chess playwright Karel Capek coined the term robot. The word robot has come from the chess word robota. The meaning of robota is slave or a forced labor. Robots may be used for industrial purpose and are used for some other special purpose applications. This image shows the industrial manipulator, which is inspired from human arms, and the second image, this image shows the some robots which is inspired from some animals. Next one is this a special purpose robots. This is known as a Pragyan rover built by ISRO for the moon mission, and this one is the Perseverance rover built by the NASA for the Mars mission. Here are some definitions of industrial robots given by international bodies. According to Oxford Dictionary, robot is a machine capable of doing series of complex actions and it is programmable by a computer. Next definition is by ISO. Robots may be mobile or fixed for industrial automation, and it has reprogrammable, multi-purpose, and automatic control capabilities. And the Robot Institute of America says robots do a variety of tasks through variable program motions. By analyzing the definition given by international bodies, which focuses on the following essential requirements for any robotic system, or we can say the system must have the following capabilities. The first one is reprogrammability. The reprogrammability is the ability to change or modify the instructions again and again through computer codes as per requirements. Second one is the multifunction or a multipurpose. It is the ability to perform a variety of tasks through a single robot. And last one is the automatic control. It is the ability to make decisions their own, which is achieved by artificial intelligence. Next is the laws of the robotics. Isaac Asimov proposed three basic rules in his science fiction stories during 1940s. These three generally known as the laws of robotics. The first law says that a robot may not harm a human being. Robots are designed to help human to perform the difficult, dangerous task very efficiently. Second law says a robot must obey the order given by a human, except it should not conflict with the first law. Robots do not harm human being in any case or in any condition. And the third law says a robot protects its own existence as long as such protection does not conflict with the first and second law. By analyzing the above three laws, we can design a matrix, either to say a decision matrix or priority matrix. The conclusion of the above law is that the robots are not to design to treat the human being. On contrary, robots are designed to help the human being. Next law is known as the fourth law, which is given by the Fuller in 1999, said that a robot may take a human being job, but it may not leave that person jobless. It is a very controversial statement nowadays. So, the following are the thumb rules which are used to decide the robot's uses in the industry. First rule to consider is what is known as the 4Ds of robotics. First one is dirty, means the task is dirty, the task is dull. Second one is the task is dull. Third one is task is dangerous. Fourth one, the task is difficult. If so, a human will probably not able to do the job efficiently. Therefore, the job is appropriate for automation or robotic labor. Example, sewerage cleaning purpose and assembly. The second rule is that a robot may not leave a human jobless. Robotics and automation must serve to take our lives more enjoyable, not miserable. Exoskeleton is the example, and bomb diffusion robots are the examples to help the human to do the job more efficiently and effectively. The next is third rule says you can find people who are willing to do job. If not, the job is a candidate for automation or robotics. Indeed, this should be a primary reason for the growth of automation and robotics. Example, in a nuclear power plant, a zone prone to radiation leakage, which is a dangerous zone for the industry personnel. And the fourth thumb rule is that the use of robots or automation must make short-term and long-term economic sense. For a short-term batch production and for long-term economic sense, fixed automation is the example. In industrial application, robots may be used for the following application. First one is welding. It is a very important application in industry. The accuracy and quality of weld joints are very important for the performance of machine as well as the safety of human who are going to use this machine. Second one is the assembly. The assembly job is a dull operations for an industry person, and the efficiency of worker is decreases if it is doing the same job for a long time. Next is a painting. It is come under dangerous operation for industry person because of inhalation of paint causes serious health issue of the worker. Next operation is pick and place operation. Pick and place operation causes fatigue in the operator, which decreases the performance of the operator. Next is military operation. In a military, for the robots may be used for the surveillance or bomb diffusion robots. Then medical purposes. In a medical field, robots are used to help the doctor in a complicated surgery. In a space application, robots are used to explore the new planets like a Pragyan rover or a Perseverance rover. In a restaurant, robots are used to serve the food. Underwater applications, some robots are used for underwater operations like a welding operation or to find something under the or deep into the sea. And next is nuclear power plant. Robots are used near to the zone which are prone to nuclear radiation leakage. This particular place is suitable for the robotic application or for the maintenance purpose. Thanks for watching. See you soon.